Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to withdraw money from Coinbase wallet to your bank account. Now, if you're looking to withdraw some of your tokens on the Coinbase wallet into your bank account, you're going to have to send them over to a centralized exchange, as that is one of the easiest way to get your money out and into your bank account. So let's say we want to send some of our Jupiter tokens, which are on the Solana network. Make sure you have some Solana tokens to cover the gas fees. If you do not, buy some Solana tokens to cover it. So use the buy icon at the top left, and where we have the network, click on the Ethereum, scroll through and select Solana. Now you could use a third-party provider known as Topper to be able to buy your cryptocurrencies using your native currency. Your native currency being the dollar, the pound, the Indian rupees, and many other local currencies could be used to buy crypto. So let's say you have $300 worth of your local currency and you wish to buy $300 worth of Solana. You could easily buy this amount to cover your gas fees and have some Solana on your wallet. When you click on continue to payment, you'll be taken to a third-party provider, which is the Topper, and you could simply use Topper and your local currency to buy some crypto. So guys, once you've gotten yourself some Solana to cover the gas fees, where we have the Jupiter token, click on Jup, click on the send option, and now you're asked to enter the amount of Jupiter tokens you wish to send. So click on max. We're going to be sending all our Jupiter tokens. Click on next. So now we can easily get this address from the centralized exchange being KuCoin. So minimize and open up the KuCoin application. Make sure you've downloaded KuCoin. Once you've downloaded KuCoin, open up your KuCoin app, and please make sure you have an account on KuCoin. If you do not have an account on KuCoin, by using our link in the description of the video, you stand a chance to claim 3,800 USDT worth of welcome gifts and bonuses when you register and verify your account. So guys, you're on KuCoin. How can you deposit your Solana tokens, which is the Jupiter here? The deposit icon at the top left, click on deposit. Once you select the deposit, simply search for Jup. That's the Jupiter token. Click on Jup. Give it some time to load in. Select the network, which is the Solana network. Select the network, which is the Solana network. Click on got it. Scroll down and copy your wallet address. That's the wallet address. The minimum is not shown. That's the minimum amount is not shown. Where are we depositing to? The drop down. Select the drop down and select your trading account. All right. And once you've copied your wallet address, minimize, open up the Coinbase wallet, paste this address there. Click on confirm. And now for $1.90 worth of Jupiter, we're going to be paying a gas fee of 0.29. So now simply click on confirm, enter your passcode or biometrics, and your Jupiter tokens will be sent from your Coinbase wallet over to the KuCoin application. Now it says successfully sent, so click on minimize, open up your KuCoin, and head to the wallet section or the assets menu at the bottom right. Once there, perform a simple reload and you'd find that your Jupiter tokens have been deposited. Scroll through your funding or trading accounts to find your Jupiter tokens. And once you found the Jupiter tokens, once on the trading account, you'd find your Jupiter tokens here. As you can see, we have the Jupiter tokens which were sent from our Coinbase wallet over. So now your next step would be to head to the trade icon at the bottom of the screen. Once there, where we have when USDT, click on when USDT and simply search for Jup. That's search for Jup USDT. Click on Jup USDT. Where we have the limit, click on limit and select market. By selecting market, we can buy our cryptocurrencies at the current price of the market, which is instantly. So click on the sell option. Make sure you put 100% or enter an amount of Jup you wish to sell. Click on the sell Jup option. Enter your passcode, and once you've entered your passcode, the order has been placed. And now if you head to the assets menu, perform a reload, you'd find some USDT here. So now our next step is going to be clicking on the transfer option. We're going to be transferring that available USDT to our funding account. So we're going to be moving from trading account to funding. So now enter an amount you wish to send. Click on max, click on confirm. And now the tokens have been moved over to our funding account. And if you reload on the funding, you'd find the tokens here. So head to the home icon where we have P2P with 0 fees. Click on P2P. And once you selected the P2P, where we have the three-dotted icon at the top right, click on this three-dotted icon and select payment method. Now you could easily add a payment method depending on your region by clicking on add payment method and simply enter your payment method here. Once it's done, click on the sell icon here, enter an amount you wish to sell in your local currency. So I'm entering the amount in my local currency. Scroll through and click on sell. So once you've selected a merchant to sell your tokens with, simply enter an amount of the tokens you wish to sell. So let's say for this amount, I'm going to be clicking on sell now. So I'm going to be receiving my tokens in my local currency, and we are awaiting the order. So guys, that's how you can simply withdraw from your Coinbase wallet to your bank account. Do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer.